Meaning of fire practice.
Fire practice.
Fire practice.
Fire practice.
Fire practice. Fire practice refers to a simulated emergency drill that tests the preparedness and response capabilities of individuals in case of an actual fire outbreak. The objective is to ensure that everyone knows their roles, responsibilities, and actions to take during an emergency. The result of a successful fire practice is a well-trained team that is equipped to handle any fire-related situation with confidence and efficiency. This could potentially save lives, minimize property damage, and prevent chaos during an actual fire emergency.